Hello, students! We're going to do it yourself today. It is raining outside. Teacher's hair isn't right because it is raining. We're going to talk about what happens when you have to paint around your house. Paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. I have to paint inside my house today. Inside. I-N-S-I-D-E. Or sometimes you have to paint outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. We have paint brushes. P-A-I-N-T brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. You will also need a flathead screwdriver. It will open the can of paint, but not right now. I don't want paint all over me. Flathead screwdriver. F-L-A-T-H-E-A-D-S-C-R-E-W-D-R-I-V-E-R. Flathead screwdriver. You're going to need a pair of scissors. I will show you why in a moment. You will need a stirring stick to stir the paint before you start using it to paint. Stirring stick, S-T-I-R-R-I-N-G, stick, S-T-I-C-K, stirring stick. Scissors. How do you spell scissors? Put it in the comments. I will let you decide, and we will tell you if it is correct. Now, we have a pan, P-A-N. We will pour the paint into the pan. This is a pan, and it's level. You pour the paint into the pan, and then you put your brush in here to paint. Pan, P-A-N. Then you don't make a mess, M-E-S-S, mess. Also, you're going to want to use painter's tape. Painter's tape. Tape. T-A-P-E. Tape. And will help keep the paint where it belongs and keep it away from where it doesn't. This paper is used with the tape to help prevent a mess and to make the painting look much better. It looks better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Paper to help so that the painting looks much better. Now, sometimes you're going to have to do a home repair in addition to doing the painting. You may need putty if you have a repair and a putty knife. And that way, if there's something that needs to be fixed, you can fix it before you paint. And you can use sandpaper to smooth it before you repaint the area. Sandpaper. S-A-N-D-P-A-P-E-R. And you can see I've already used some of it. And that's why you need scissors. And you use scissors on the paper. Sandpaper. Putty knife. And the putty. P-U-T-T-Y. And this is what you do when you have a home repair. You can do it inside or outside. Today, since it is raining outside, teacher is still wet from going outside. And you can do it. It will look nice if you do it correctly. There might be some times where it takes more than one person, but usually one person can do most of the work. There might be places where you need two people. And like I said, you can do a repair, you can paint, and you can make your house look nice, and you can save money. It's very expensive to hire someone to come to your house. If you can do it yourself, it's a lot cheaper, and it won't cost as much money. So let's review. Oh yes, I forgot this little tool right here. It's just a brush, and it's for corners and other areas where it's not quite straight. So this one is for the edge. E-D-G-E, edge. So let's continue the review. We have putty knife, putty, painter's tape. This is the tape we have so that we can get a nice straight edge when we paint. Stirring stick, paint, and the stirring stick. It's here to help the paint and make it look so much nicer. Flathead screwdriver is to open the can of paint. We're not going to do that right now. And this is the paper that also goes so that the paint doesn't get on your floor or your carpet or other areas that have already been painted. Scissors. Very important to have scissors. And we have paint brushes. We have different sizes depending on where you're painting. Are there any questions? Please leave any comments or questions in the comments. And it's time to say class dismissed.